Welcome to TopOneTrader.com. Hey there, traders. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? TopOneTrader.com is your one-stop shop for all your trading needs. We offer a wide variety of assets to trade, from Forex to crypto. Our platform is designed for both beginners and experienced traders. We have everything you need to succeed. TopOneTrader.com is a powerful and user-friendly platform. We make it easy for you to trade with confidence. Our platform is packed with features. These tools help you make informed decisions. We offer competitive trading conditions, and we have a dedicated support team to help you every step of the way. At TopOneTrader.com, we are committed to providing you with the best possible trading experience. We offer a secure and reliable platform you can trade with peace of mind. We also offer fast and easy withdrawals. Join TopOneTrader.com today and see the difference. Ready to start trading? Joining TopOneTrader.com is quick and easy. Just visit our website and click on the Sign Up button. You will need to provide some basic information. This includes your name, email address, and password. Once you have completed the registration form, you will need to verify your email address. We take security seriously at TopOneTrader.com. Account verification is a must. You will need to provide proof of identity. This helps us protect your account. It also prevents fraud. Verification is simple. Just upload a copy of your government-issued ID. A passport or driver's license will do. Once your account is verified, you are ready to go. You can log in and start exploring our platform. Check out our different trading products. Familiarize yourself with our trading tools. Our customer support team is always available to help if you have any questions. Now it's time to fund your account and start trading. TopOneTrader.com offers a variety of funding options. You can choose the one that's most convenient for you. We accept bank transfers, credit cards, and popular e-wallets. Deposits are usually processed quickly. You can start trading right away. With your account funded, explore our wide selection of trading products. We offer Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. TopOneTrader.com has something for everyone. Trade major currency pairs like the EUR, USD, and USD JPY. Try your hand at indices like the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, or dive into the world of commodities like gold and oil. Choose the asset that matches your trading style. We offer tight spreads and low commissions. TopOneTrader.com helps you maximize your profits. Remember to start small and gradually increase your trading size as you gain experience. TopOneTrader.com is more than just a trading platform. We provide you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. Our platform is packed with advanced features, but it's still user-friendly. We have something for everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros. We offer advanced charting tools. These tools let you analyze the markets with ease. You can use technical indicators. You can draw trend lines. You can identify trading opportunities. Our platform delivers real-time market data. You'll never miss a beat. We also have a comprehensive education section. Learn the basics of trading, explore different trading strategies, improve your trading skills. Our customer support team is available 24/7. We're here to answer any questions you may have. Start your trading journey with TopOneTrader.com today.